Hey guys, it's your girl Naturallynata here, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this deep cleansing scalp and hair scrub from Zionhealth. I have it in the scent vanilla coconut. It contains essential traces of minerals from their unique healing clay combined with vitamin E, biotin, argan, and sweet almond oil. It adds nourishing, rich moisture and shine to dry, overly processed hair. You can use this product to exfoliate stress by massaging it into your scalp, and it's fit for a spa day, an at-home spa day type of scrub that also can remove dandruff and scalp acne. Okay guys, so we're dealing with some really dirty hair right here. This is hair that has been underneath wigs for about a month. It's been in cornrows, so I have removed the cornrows. I have a lot of flakes, a lot of product buildup, dried up gel, dandruff, you name it. My hair is dirty. So this is when I really like to use this product because, when your hair is really dirty, it's really, really nice to really exfoliate your scalp and get all that product buildup out of your hair using a scrub like this. So before and after, boom, there we go. My hair has been washed. So my hair has just been shampooed, not conditioned, because the directions on this scrub say apply to clean, wet, or damp scalp and hair, work through the ends of hair and rinse. So I do have to rinse this product out, of course, so I do not want to condition my hair. I want to just shampoo it, and then I will go and rinse it out in the shower and then do my conditioning and deep conditioning. This is pretty self-explanatory. I'm starting right in the front of my hair, right by my hairline, really scrubbing that in there because a lot of product buildup, it will be right there in the front of my hair from when I'm putting gel and all types of stuff in my hair to slick it down. And then I'm just going to work my way back. You definitely want to keep it focused on the scalp and really use your fingernails to really scrub that in there. And I definitely want to do the back of my head also. So you'll just see me do my entire head with this scalp scrub. So once my hair is completely saturated with the hair and scalp scrub, this is what it's looking like. I like to just let it sit in my hair and really just soak up all that goodness, all the good ingredients that this hair and scalp scrub has before I rinse it out. It is vegan. There are no sulfates, no parabens. It's gluten-free. It contains a lot of really nice ingredients. So I just want to, let my hair enjoy all of that before I rinse it out. Okay, so I have wet back in the shower and rinsed that hair scrub out and then added my conditioner and my deep conditioner. So we have freshly cleaned hair and my hair feels so good, so lightweight, definitely clean. So I'm taking that coconut oil, as you can see right here, and also this Cantu Define and Shine custard, and I'm going to use that to do a quick wash and go on my hair. So I first saturated my hair with the coconut oil, just the whole entire side section of my hair that I'm working on. And then I'm going to go in little sections and apply that Cantu Define and Shine custard. And also I'm going to go back in even smaller sections and use Eco Styler gel. That's what I'm using right here. I'm sorry I didn't get a close up. I didn't put it up to the camera, but I am using Eco Styler gel after I use the Define and Shine custard. These are just the natural hair products that I had on hand. The Eco Styler gel is my holy grail. I use it for everything. But the Define and Shine custard's not my favorite, I'm not going to lie. But that's just what I had on hand because I barely ever do my natural hair. So I just used it because it's all I had. But it worked. It definitely did the job, and you'll be able to see once I am done with this wash and go. So as you can see, I'm just working my way back. I start in the front and then I just work my way further and further back, just clipping the hair that I already have applied all the products to the side, and then working my way further and further back until I get done with one side of my hair. That other side of my hair is already done, so this is the last few sections. Now, guys, yes, I'm taking some Blue Magic. I'm telling you, I only had like the OGs on hand, can 2 Blue Magic, but Blue Magic is so good, and I love it to add just a little bit more hydration, moisturization, and shine to my wash and go, just as a little finishing touch. Now I'm just going to let it dry. I did my makeup. I think this is actually the next day. This is the next day, guys. So I slipped on this because that's what I do overnight. I tie it up into a high ponytail or pineapple, and then the next day I just remove it. So this is the next day. My hair is completely dry. To revive my wash and go, all I do is take some water in a spray bottle, spray it all over my hair, and then just really fluff out my hair with my hands, stretch it out to the desired shape that I want. Now I'm just taking a raking comb. You can use a pick, a big comb like this, whatever. I just use that to pull the hair away from my scalp even more, to make it more voluminous, and also to cover up any separation I may have, because I did part my hair down the middle to actually do the wash and go, so there might still be that part in the back. And that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do like that Zionhealth hair and scalp scrub. It's really, really nice. A really good, like, at-home type of treat for yourself and for your hair, really to exfoliate it and get your hair nice and clean. So I definitely recommend checking it out. I hope you guys enjoyed once again, and I cannot wait to hopefully see y'all on my next one. Bye-bye.